guys, it's your girl Tati back with another banger video. And today I'm gonna be doing a hair tutorial for you guys. So as you guys know, I haven't been doing no hair tutorial for you guys. I haven't did one in like a couple months. So I've been like doing like little vlogs and other little videos, and people been asking me like, oh, can we see a hair tutorial from you? I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do that. So thank you to all my subscribers for subscribing to me. I am so excited that I'm on the road to 100 subscribers, and I just love everybody that been supporting me and this and that. I've been slacking a little bit on my videos, but I'm gonna be coming back up with my videos. I'm making more videos for you guys at this moment. So yeah. So today I'm gonna be doing like a two bun with the little swoop thing. The two buns and a little swoop. I'm gonna do that video for you guys today. So stay tuned if you want to see this video. Continue watching all the way to the end. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna have some of my other videos, the link in the description below for you guys to click on those, and also give those videos a thumbs up. Make sure you guys follow me on all social media. I will have my social medias in the description box below. Make sure you guys comment any other videos you guys want me to do, any other hairstyles, a vlog video, challenge video, a prank, anything. Make sure you guys put those in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more videos because I'm coming with bangers. Like, I'm about to come with banger videos. So I'm about to do some challenges. I'm about to do some pranks. Just wait on it. So without further ado, let's get into this hair video. Peace. Okay guys, so that's the end of this hair video. I just did something real simple and cute that you guys could do, like less than, I'll say like less than 10 minutes. You could do this hairstyle, and it was pretty simple. I kind of went through a little bit fast and I couldn't really see, but it came out pretty cool. But if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up. This bun looking crooked a little bit. Okay, if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. Get me to 100 subscribers. I am on the road to 100 subscribers and I'm so excited. Make sure you guys go and like my other videos. I'll have some of those links in the description for you guys. Follow me on all social media, and make sure you guys comment any other videos that you guys want me to do, any other vlogs, pranks, challenges, anything. Put it in the comment section below. Thank you to all my supporters again. I'm so happy. I am on a road to 100 subscribers. I'm getting there. Like, I feel like I'm progressing a lot on my YouTube channel, and I'm really excited about that. I'm gonna have more content for you coming for you guys, and I'm getting more stuff for my YouTube channel, and you know, making my thumbnails better. I'm buying a lot of stuff to make my stuff look way better. And yeah, because I want you guys to see my thumbnails, because you know the thumbnails is what's going to attract your audience to watch your videos. So you have to make sure your thumbnails is cute, popping, bomb, where people can be like, oh my god, I want to watch that video. So you have to make your thumbnails look bomb. You can't make your thumbnails look weird to the point where it's like they got to be like, to see what it look like. Like, you have to make it pop out and pretty and big, you know, and they can read what it say, you know. So okay, back to what I was saying. But make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, make sure you guys smash that like button to this video. Give me 200 subscribers. Make sure you guys share this video with your family and friends, you know, that and all that. And I'm out. Peace.